Hi again, this is Mike, the Philosopher Engineer. We're wrapping up our March Madness module. For 2020, it's been a crazy year here with our crisis. For my module here, I'm focused on product development. We're in the last 3 days. And the second to last day, we're kind of working from design to action. And action is really putting the mission and the executive team plans into motion. And that really involves getting the right people in the right process so we can get the results that we need. That may include hiring some new people. That might involve rearranging people and changing their roles. That might be helping each person improve their performance. And it also helps, it is also focused on having the right teams focused on the right tasks. So there's a lot going on here in that action area. And it's really important not just to look at the technical goals or the implementation goals or just the tasks, but also the different behaviors of different people. Each person has a different work style, different leadership style, different skill sets, and different strengths or weaknesses. And our job in management and executive management is to really understand how to match the right person to the right job and understand the team dynamics and optimize those. And we've talked a lot about what's involved with good teamwork. And good teamwork requires collaboration. We talked before about, excuse me here for a minute, the Scrum model. Whether you follow the Scrum model or some other team models, the key is that you should have close communication, a very intimate team, and tight feedback. We talked about design reviews, that there should be sort of a really obviously a complete level of sharing of the work. So there should be transparency, frequent reviews on the work. Not just the conclusions, but on what work's being done, the calculations, the measurements, the designs, all those things should be shared as the work is unfolding so that other members of the team can contribute. And it can only contribute if you're sharing that work while it's in process, before it's completed. If it's all done and you did it by yourself, then you missed the opportunity to get feedback from other people with their talents, their insights, their background. So that's the action. That's an ongoing process. And for the final one, we'll go back to feedback. So getting everyone in motion, having KPIs, having good metrics, really supporting all those players so they can get their job done. With a model like Scrum, it's really well defined what needs to get done, and you can track the progress really quite well. So it's a great tool. And then we'll get to feedback, and feedback should be something on a regular basis to the stakeholders, to the customers, with the employees, and that'll just keep us really in tune with what's going on. It'll keep it real. We need to keep it real. If we're not really getting that feedback, we have blind spots and they sit that way, then we're going to lose performance. And no one wants to lose performance when we're in a very competitive industry. So that'll be the final. We'll talk about that tomorrow. But keep going. Have a good day. Hopefully you'll get back to normal pretty soon and we'll be able to explode with new business opportunities. Thank you. Bye.